It was billed as one of the last major events of the year. It turned out to be a resounding success. The Joseph Jao Memorial Football Tournament was meant to strengthen unity between the youths of Fulabantan and satellite villages. This is the third edition of the tournament, which brought together 8 teams. And on the final day of the tourney, Vision 2016 FC and the Brikama Barfitas battled it out on the pitch. The beginning of the game was exciting as the two sides struggled to control the match in their favor. Witnessed by an impressive crowd, including Governor Alhaji Omar Khan, Chief of Lower Fladu West, and other dignitaries. There was a lively interchange of passes from the Vision 2016 FC as they continued to press forward for goal. Capitalizing on sloppy defending, the striker touted as the man of the tournament, Yaya Kande, also known as Falcao, scored the second goal for his team. The Brikama Barfitas struggled throughout the game to change the rhythm of the match, but it remained the same till the last whistle was blown to end the game. Speaking at the end of the match, the coordinators of the tournament, Kalefa and Kekuta Kande, congratulated the players for participating in the tournament, which they said was meant to unite the youths of the village and the rest of the community. Presentation of prizes and awards were delivered to the runners-up. The winner, the award for the most disciplined team, was handed to Sarayero, and the tournament's leading goal scorer was delivered to Yaya Kande, aka Falcao. For a team that was abruptly constituted, taking into consideration all the members of the Vision 2016 team are full-time workers and contractors at President James Babli Mansah's Vision 2016 rice fields in Pachar. To win the tournament was the surprise package of the year.
I am thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for granting us this special day. It is a day of joy for the simple reason Vision 2016 is not only about work. Fine, we are talking of Vision 2016, grow what you eat and eat what you grow. But also, sport also is very, very prudent, it's very important in it. It's important in the sense, through sports, we can be sending our messages. Our messages for us, for the youths, to come back to the land and then till the soil. It's the soil that we had, and we are blessed with abundant water. So the lands are virgin, are all fertile. So it is a blessing for us, and we are thankful that we partake in these sports and our message has gone far and wide. That's the important part of it.
This foundation, we call it our Pa Joseph Jao Memorial. Anyway, it is a foundation that has been initiated by the Jao family, okay? And the brainchild of this thing is Cecilia Jao and David Jao. Both of them are abroad. But then, for them, they are the last of our family. Like she is the last of the girls and David is the last among the boys. Now these two children, they have seen how much their father has cherished for them, okay, and how much their father loved sport and education, okay, because all his life was in education. Now they came to realize that their father died without leaving anything. Why? Because the father was sponsoring other children. All right, all from his earning, he was making sure that others they get their education. So for him, he left the family, all right, only for us just to be happy that he have been sponsoring others likewise. Okay, so because of the thing that he had in education, well, these two children, they also thought of trying to do something that will make our father to be remembered all the time.
It will be a year to remember. The last weekend of 2015, and the revelers did not wait for long before the celebrations. It started immediately and continued till the new year. Ibrahim Abalde, GRTS News.